How much ice? Lulu's eating the ice.
Yeah.
You gonna go ice hunting?
Yeah.
You better hurry before they all melt. Look at all this, shot.
So we can make. So we can make.
You trying to make a snowman?
No. I didn't.
Lulu likes the ice too, huh?
Yeah.
Lulu's eating the ice. You better hurry up.
Go try and find some.
Lulu, how are you smelling ice? How's that possible?
I'm gonna put it on here.
Oh, I stepped on a lot of ice. That was crunchy. What are you putting it on Lulu's back?
Yay!
That was a lot of ice, Sean. You got. Oh, I'm crunching on stuff.
Dad, get some ice, hurry!
What am I gonna do with it?
Throw it on Lula. There's a target. Why is there sprinklers?
Sprinklers. That's rain, Sean. There's no sprinkler on right now.
Then why is it raining?
It's raining. It's that time of year.
Hey, wait. This is gonna have ice everywhere again?
No, maybe we got to go back inside. It'll hurt us. This is not snow. It's hail. Lulu's still eating ice. Oh, it's cold. She's like, oh, that was cold, Daddy.
Dad, I will practice. One just went down me. Yay!
It is hailing hard right now, and big pieces of hail. Thank goodness the flower buds did not open yet on my almonds and apricots. Oh my God. Let's see if I can get one or I don't get impaled. Look at this one. Oh, look, I hit right in the ear. Look, Shot.
Give me that.
Whoa.
I need to get my nose. What?
You need to get your garden shoes. Holy moly, that was crazy. I mean, look at that. Oh, thank goodness. The almonds haven't opened. My peaches. My nectarine. My apricots. If they were open right now, it would be over. I would have lost all the flowers. And it's so flooded. Oh, thank goodness. Jeez.